Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can make a lot of profit trading cryptocurrency on Bybit. I love using Bybit for teaching, and that is because Bybit is my favorite exchange app, right? So before I dive into this quickly, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do it to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this. So what should we be doing today? We'll still be looking towards the cards. When I dropped the class about this card yesterday, a lot of people thought the local analysis was kidding until it took a very high move. All right? Until it took a very high move from this current directions to this 1.1187. That was a good profit, right? And now again, we are heading towards another opportunity, gathering a very high momentum for it to move on. So all you just need to do is to focus and pay much attention on this local analysis. Let's see how it works. Okay, now this is it. When I first dropped this class yesterday, this very coin was at 0.000971. Okay, and from here it took a very high move from this very place 0.0097 to where? To 0.001, eliminated 1 0, remain 30, 1187. I was there. I cash out some few profits. So use these strategies now. Keep using these local strategies for you to keep enjoying every day by cashing out some cents. So let's look at here. What will be from here forward? This is what we should look at. But before we go into that, we're going to go into look at the 24-hour high and low and the 24 hours turnover, which is here. Yesterday, the 24 hours turnover was 7 point something, and today is 8.72 million. That is a very good one, right? So let's look at this. Let's look at the hours from here. From its highest it took yesterday midnight, which was what time? I always tell you when going about this local trading analysis, your time frame should be your friend. Look at those time clearly, carefully. What was the time interval? Is what you should be asking yourself. So, as at that yesterday, which was the 13th, around 11:45, you got this highest. So from 11:45 till now, it's going down. Let's look at what is the time difference and when are we to invade this market again. Now look at it. 11:45. It has been going down. What was its lowest here? 0.008. That's 40 still. 825. Which was what? Which was 145. Which was what? 145. This is over 11 hours or 10 hours or so. So the question is now, can we run a local analysis on this and it will be favorable to us? We can only look at it from the time frame calculations and also apply risk on it. Would we be safe? Would we be safe from this? So let's look at this. Let's look at this. All right. So we're looking at this taken from here. down here. This was 11:30, 11:45, sorry, yesterday. And this is what? 1:45 or so. This was PM. This is PM or so. The difference is the date, 13 and 14. So looking at it from here, this is another perfect time to join this trade. If you're looking for a real rational profit, this is another perfect time. Or you can still watch. After I drop this video, you can still watch clearly to like check, monitor the market movement still and see where exactly is the direction. But it will be good for you to buy now. All you just need to do, if you have 50 USDT to buy, I advise you buy 25 USDT first. Then later when you understand the stabilizations of the market, you can add another 25, making it 50. But from here, we should be hoping that it's going up based on the previous time frame analysis. Okay, so let's quickly check. Looking at it 1 hour, or let's make it a 4 hours. Okay, you can see how it has been doing. And the differences among them are always 10 to 11 hours roughly. So you should check this clearly, and you're going to make a lot of profit from this. So after this whole trade, I will come back in the nearest time to show you exactly what happened, because I'm also in this trade now. You can see, going to buy, you can see that I'm currently in this trade with 21 USDT, hoping for the market to change to my favor. Okay, so you just got to watch carefully and make your investment wisely. Do not invest more than you can lose. It's a potential advice. All right, so for now, I'm still in the trade and also hoping to buy more in the nearest time. But I'm still using this current 21 USDT to study the market movement. So you check carefully and dive in when the opportunity is high. All right. So thank you so much for watching. If you do have any question, drop it at the comment section and I'll attend to you ASAP. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.